All right. Buckle up. Culinary rock stars, high-speed detour to Flavortown. Guess what? 10 minutes flat. Forget those long, drawn-out weeknight dinners. This dish is so fast and so packed with dynamite flavor it will blow your mind. Not your average stir-fry. Mongolian ground beef. Full throttle, pedal-to-the-metal explosion of savory, sweet, funky goodness. Easier than a phone call. Kitchen champion on a Tuesday night. Let's ride. First things first, every culinary masterpiece needs a killer cast of characters. You can't paint a Picasso without the right colors. So let's do a quick roll call of the ingredients you'll need to assemble. Don't sweat it. This ain't one of those scavenger hunt lists. For the beef and the aromatics, about 1 pound of lean ground beef, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, grated, fresh only, a bunch of green onions, 4 or 5 sliced. Now let's talk about the sauce, the undisputed champ. Half cup low-sodium soy sauce, half cup water, 1/3 cup packed brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch to thicken. Sesame seeds for that final garnish. That's the whole crew right there. All right, you've got your all-star ingredients lined up and ready for action. Now let's talk about your hardware. The main event is a large skillet, or a wok. A 12-inch skillet is money. Give the beef room to brown. Crowd the pan and you get steaming, not searing. A heavy-bottomed pan like cast iron holds heat and gives you Maillard magic. Use a good spatula to scrape up fond, a wooden spoon to break up beef, and a whisk for your sauce. A simple small bowl or even a cereal bowl works for mixing the sauce. A sharp knife and a cutting board for the aromatics. A sharp knife is a safe knife. Your pit crew is assembled and ready for glory. Listen up. The secret to a 10-minute meal is a 2-minute prep. This is where you set yourself up for success. Take those 4 cloves of garlic and get them minced up nice and fine. Knife or garlic press, whatever floats your boat. Peel with a spoon, then microplane that 1-inch piece of ginger into a fine pulp. Rinse your green onions and separate the whites from the dark green tops. Whites go in early, greens are for the finish. Grab a small bowl, half cup soy, half cup water, 1/3 cup brown sugar. Whisk, then sprinkle that tablespoon of cornstarch and whisk till smooth. You want a glossy, lump-free mixture. Set it beside your mise and you're golden. Your ground beef is ready to go straight from the package into the pan. By taking a couple minutes to prep, you've turned chaos into a smooth cruise down the flavor highway. You're organized, you're ready, and the finish line is in sight. Let's cook. All right, the prep is done. The kitchen is your stage. It's time for the headliner to make its entrance. Turn heat to medium-high. Flick a drop of water to test. Then add 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Immediately add your 1 pound of lean ground beef. You should hear a loud, satisfying sizzle. Use your spatula or wooden spoon to break the meat into small crumbles. Keep it moving so it cooks evenly. As the beef browns, add the white and light green parts of your sliced scallions. We're looking for nicely browned crumbles, not big gray chunks. That's where the deep, savory flavor lives. It should only take about 3 to 5 minutes to brown. Once fully browned, add 4 cloves minced garlic and 1-inch grated ginger. Stir constantly for 30-60 seconds. Don't let the garlic burn. Your base is now built, solid, savory, and ready for the sauce. Now it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for, the sauce. Give that bowl one last whisk and scrape the bottom. The cornstarch settles. Pour that entire bowl of liquid dynamite into the skillet. Soy, water, brown sugar, cornstarch slurry. It will bubble and sizzle like crazy. The cornstarch activates and starts thickening right away. Grab your spatula and stir immediately. Fold the sauce so every bit of beef gets coated. Watch it go from watery to a thick, syrupy glaze in a minute or 2. Simmer, stirring occasionally. It should coat the back of your spoon and cling to every nook and cranny. Not a soup, a glaze. Once glossy and perfect, turn off the heat. Admire your handiwork. We're in the home stretch, flavor fanatics. Remember the dark green onion tops? Now is their time to shine. Sprinkle them all over. Give it one last gentle stir. Residual heat wilts them slightly, releasing that fresh onion bite. Grab your toasted sesame seeds and give a generous sprinkle for crunch and nutty flavor. Glossy sauce, bright scallions, crunchy seeds, texture and color that sings. And just like that, you're done. From a pile of ingredients to a pan of flavor in 10 minutes. Get your plates ready. Flavortown is about to be served. Classic move. Pile that Mongolian beef over steaming white rice. The rice soaks up every drop of sauce. Or go low-carb with cauliflower rice, zoodles, or pile it over steamed broccoli. tons of options. Make lettuce cups or even fusion tacos. This stuff is great handheld. Amp it up with sriracha, red pepper flakes, chopped peanuts or cashews, or a squeeze of lime. The possibilities are endless. Make it yours and enjoy. So there you have it, folks. Your official backstage pass to a meal that's off the hook. We took a handful of simple ingredients, fired up the skillet, and in just 10 minutes created something spectacular. You don't need hours or a culinary degree, just boldness in a hot pan. Sweet, savory, funky, a whole lot of soul. Cooking should be an adventure. Reclaim weeknights, put fun back in food, and you don't have to tell them it only took you 10 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Fire up that stove, get that skillet sizzling, and unleash this beast on your dinner table. One bite and you'll be hooked. Savory beef, sweet glossy sauce, scallions and sesame on point. This is your invitation to Flavortown. Try the recipe, remix it, and drop a comment on how you served it. Cook with confidence, eat with joy. Welcome to Flavortown. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Music from YouTube Audio Library. Clean subtitles enabled throughout. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.